Hello na. What is your name? My name is Cyril James Ponce Buctuanon. Where do you live? I live in Green Meadows, Davao City. How old are you? I am 3 months old. Who is your daddy? My daddy's name is Daddy Joven Labial Buctuanon. Who is your mommy? My mommy's name is Mommy Chris Ponce Buctuanon. Who is your ate? My ate's name is Ate Nadine Audrey Ponce Buctuanon. Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Kanta tayo, kanta. Cyril, 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 Say, 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 Cyril ng say, say, Cyril, 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 say, say, Cyril ng say, say. Bulaga! Bulaga! Wow!